High. Happy first day of summer. Is it the first day of summer now? College? Summer classes in college. Good luck with that. Epik came out with ANTIHERO like how long ago? Like 18 hours ago. I love Epik. I went to go see them live at least twice in my life, and it was epic each time. There's their light stick. It's a middle finger. I never got to get one or had the opportunity. I don't know if they still sell them, but I definitely do want a middle finger as a light stick. I think that's hilarious. But yeah, let's go. Epik.
No more teachers, no more prophets, no more heroes.
Okay.
Epik. Cold part of motherfuckers.
Cope harder, motherfuckers.
No more lessons, please take me back to zero. No more mistakes, no remorse. No more teachers, no more prophets, no more heroes.
Okay.
I'm a villain.
I'm a villain.
When I be on the microphone, get it back to 박어. 지리봉 대신 박규봉 그게 우리 다워. Y'all get lost in the sauce, famous sweet and sour. 세상의 맛 내게 맞춰, that's my superpower.
Hey, talk your shit.
I was 내 글자에 새긴 나의 마음 높게 올라서자마자 뺏긴 high ground 이 세상은 시간 내주면서 목을 탐내 마음을 열어주면 곧 내 심장이 target fuck it what's a hero in a world full of villains mama if karma doesn't do its job I'ma kill him 손과 악은 쉽게 뒤집히잖아 원래 와파에서 잠들어도 전기 의자에서 깨 I'm the hero you deserve I'm the hero you need 미쳐 돌아가는 지구질만 쥐고 있지 I'm an anti
Hero.
All the heroes that you serve look like villains
to me.
I'm their anti.
I'm their anti-hero.
기적을 반복하지 매년 세월의 야속함을 배며 우리 각자인당 백현에서 규모지만 대기업 집안 마트 가득 산책하는 요단강 건너편 돗자리 갈고 관람 중이야 뭘 먹은 래퍼들의 애원 딱히 내 편도 없던데 세상이 나를 쳐바를 땐 달라진 것도 없는데 20년 되니 토마트네 어이없는 상황에 부져우지 내 팬들 나 대신 앞에 올려주지 누군가의 히로 다른 누군가의 빌런 여전히 품에 지켜 네 밥그릇 먹어치워 새끼말 같은 세상이지만 네 자리 지켜 어차피 주인공 아니면 모두가 픽업
Dress like a sociopath.
Whoa.
Dancing like a psychopath. I'm the hero you deserve. I'm the hero you need.
Epik really jumps through each time, man.
Hero. All the heroes that you serve look like villains to me.
I'm an anti. Hero.
You don't know anything about me. Shut up!
Whoa.
The name drop. 바람에 관심밖에 놈들 wanna take shots.
Oh. Hey. Okay.
Keep your motherfucking music.
Wait. That change up is crazy.
Shut up!
New shit.
The name drop. 바람에 관심밖에 놈들 wanna take shots. 여긴 술자리가 아니야 새끼 깽값. 벌고 싶어 센 척하네 you ain't big you ain't pop. Keep your motherfucking music on my AirPods. 힙합이나 하고 나는 raindrops.
Hey.
My head they want me dead but I can't stop.
Can't stop.
뒤집혀도 대세. Legend till I'm blessed. Look at us dancing on your grave tops.
Bro, don't. Who we got? Who we got jump? Who we got jump, Epik?
꽃속들이 타인이 정한하는 거부의 가능성은 놀림의 생사의 갈림길 죽지 않은 꽃들이 너에겐 필요하겠지 내가 거부하신 내 손길이 영광을 줘 내 답을 발탄 소태 그리고 너의 자만심 조준 중 방아쇠 선택 두 손으로 환영해주길 그래 이건 톱제 21년째 침묵한 놈들의 한 불가피한 톱백
I'm an ANTI Stay on top
Bro, the change up is crazy.
내 심장은 여기지 I'm dancing on your grave Dancing on your grave Hold my phone this is me dancing on your grave
Hey, yo, bro. Look what Kendrick has started. Bro, I'm dancing on your grave is crazy thing to say.
I'm an ANTI Stay on top 내 심장은 여기지 I'm
dancing on your grave. Dancing on your grave.
Hold my phone this is me dancing on your grave hater What? I'm an ANTI Stay on top 내 심장은 여기지 I'm dancing on your grave Dancing on your grave
Hey.
All the times all of you were dancing on my grave
Epik. Bruh. Shout out to Epik, man. Why does dancing on your grave remind me of Saltburn? No, it doesn't. I know exactly the freaking scene you're talking about. That's not even dancing. I don't know what the hell that was.
I'm dancing
On your grave, dancing on your grave.
For all the times all of you were dancing on my grave.
Break. Epic High. You always exceed my expectations.
Hey, you better subscribe.
While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.